Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create Marvel-style text in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open Canva and create a new design project. Once inside the editor, add a text box and type your desired text in all capital letters for a bold superhero look. Next, change the font to Bangers, which is a free font available in Canva and closely matches the Marvel comic style. Now, set your text color to white and adjust the background color to red to match the classic Marvel theme. After that, select your text, go to the Effects option and choose Outline. Set the outline color to black and increase the thickness to around 100 to 150 to achieve a strong, comic-style border. This combination of bold font, contrasting colors, and thick outline creates a clean superhero text effect. So that's basically how you can create Marvel-style text in Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks!